Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to Computer Tech Skill. In this tutorial, we're all going to learn about a range group that is present there. So let's try to bring some sort of shapes, like I have brought this shape, and let me go to take another shape. Now I have got two of the shapes, and let me change the color of this shape by going to format and clicking on shape styles. Go back for page layout, and over there we have got bring forward, bring to front, send backward, send to back. So what I have to do is to attach this shape with that one so that it will be much more visible for you to understand that what am I going to teach you. Let's try to make it bigger a little bit. So now you can see and you can observe that there are two of the shapes, which one of them is related to ellipse, which the color of that is blue, and there is also another one which is orange color. So let's try to change the position of that by going to bring forward. So let me click on the blue one and go for bring forward. See, now it is brought to front. So what I have to do is to click on orange one and also use the bring to front option, and let's try to go for this option, which is known as send backward, which is bringing shape to backward, and this is also the same thing. So let's try to understand about selection pane. We have got two of the shapes, like one of them is oval and second one of them is rectangular. You can also hide all and show all. You can also hide it, you can also show it back. So what I have to do is to go and also hide it individually, means you can also hide one of them. See, you can also name it by double clicking on that and try to type any of the name you want. For example, the blue one. You can also go for this and change its name, right? Like orange color, or you can say any of the color. So that is what I have taught you. Let's try to understand it furthermore by making it smaller a little bit and put it there. I want to put it in the middle of the orange one. So what I have to do is to select both of these by clicking on the first one and hold the shift button on keyboard and also click on the orange one. So now what I have to do is there is an option known as align option. If you click on this one, align left, it will be bringing that to left. Align center, align right, it is coming to right. It is also align top, align middle, align bottom. So most probably I use these two options like align center and align middle because I want one shape that should come in the middle of another shape. So that is something is related to that. So let me delete the blue one and select the orange one. And now let me make you understand furthermore about another option that is present inside align. Let's try to go for snap to grid. Well, if I can tell you furthermore, there are many of the cells that are present in Microsoft Excel. Well, I want to attach this shape with that of the cell or with those of the cells. So now you can see I cannot attach that, or it's not controllable. So what I have to do is to check on snap to grid. Now I have checked that. Now it is going to that. It is not going beyond from any of the cell. So that is what is the benefit of using this option. If I can go for snap to shape, and let me take the copy of that by holding the control button and press C, control C copy, control V paste. Let me change the color of this by going to format and also try to change the color of that. Now what I have to do, if I want this shape to be attached with another shape, so this is so much simple by using this option which is present there. Just check it on snap to shape. So now I am free to snap it anytime I want with another shape. That is the benefit of using that option. Well, there are still two shapes present. You can say rectangular shapes. if I select this, and I'm not able to be selecting the second one, because if I select that, it is deselected. So what I have to do is to select that and hold the shift button on keyboard and also select the second one. Now there is an option inside page layout, group option. I want to group it out. Now it has come in one group. Let me do it again. Now this time let's try to use that. Now see, it is coming in one group. Now anytime I want to move that, both of the shapes will be moving. I want to ungroup that. Now you can see, you can click there and use that or move that. You can see that it is moving. If I can go there and regroup that, now it is being regrouped once again. Let's try to go for using ungroup option. For using ungroup option, well, let's try to delete the blue one and select this and just a little bit change the size of that and go for rotate option. This is something that is related to rotating the shape that you have on interface. If I can go for more rotation options, there are more of the options inside rotation options, like height. I can also go for height. This is something that is related to height. And width, you can also change size of width. And rotate, this is something I'm talking about, which you can rotate. And scale height, this is something the same, scale height and scale width. Lock aspect ratio, if I can uncheck that and move that, see, it is being made bigger from one side. If I check on this option, now it will be now I am able to change the size of that, increase or decrease the size of that proportionally. So that is what is the benefit of using that. And there is another option, text box. So that is what I have taught you in this small sort of tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.